Hello, my friends, and welcome to the end of the year. It has been so good to see you at our graduations. Zanesville was last Sunday. This Sunday will be Charleston at 4 and Clarksburg at 7. Really excited to see you there. Just a few things this week. I know there's going to be some changes in callings and assignments, but many of us have the summer to breathe and look forward to all that's going to be happening this fall when we start up again. We have so many opportunities this summer to sharpen the saw, to grow, to develop, and just become more closely aligned with the Savior and increase that power in our classroom to bless these kids that we love so much. So I just wanted to share a few things and invite you to follow through on them. One, I'm including in the email just a 7-question feedback survey. Will you please, it'll probably take you 5 minutes max. Would you please just go in and respond to this and send it to me? It really does help me so I can know what's working for you. I don't want to bother, I want to bless. And so if you can teach me what's working and teach me what you want more of or less of, that is so helpful. 2, as our seniors are graduating, our big goal and focus this year is to help all of them graduate not from seminary, but into institute. Our goal is 100% each of these kids move from seminary to institute. So please encourage, we're going to talk to them at graduation, but I invite you to please follow up and encourage them to join one of our institute classes. I'm super excited to be able to announce in Charleston First Ward, they're going to start an in-person seminary class this summer and just see what we can do with it. For everyone else, we have Ohio State for our Ohio people to join Brother Knowles there, in person or online. And in West Virginia, we have every Tuesday a hybrid class that's also in person and online. And then finally, what I wanted to share with you is this summer, we will have our in-service trainings on the first Saturday of each month. But in addition to that, notice this list I'm sending to you where throughout the summer, we are going to be studying Teaching in the Savior's Way, and the different institute teachers and coordinators from around the area are each taking a portion of that and having an hour gathering opportunity for all who want to join. You can see they're happening throughout the year at different times to work with your schedule. Will you please just take a moment and glance through this list and make note of any of those topics that sort of ring in your heart and mind, something you want to dive into, and then put it in your calendar and join. It will bless your life. It'll bless your student's life. It'll bless your family's life. And do as many as you can and want to. They really are just so good and so powerful. So that was all I wanted to share. You're going to get it in the email, but wanted to express how much I love you and appreciate you. Thank you, my friends. I look forward to seeing you soon.